Deepak Kumar,
Yes,
sir, introduce yourself. Currently, what are you doing?
Deepak Dutt Pandey.
No,
No, sir.
Deepak Kumar Megwal.
Yes, sir.
Deepak Kumar.
Sir, I am Deepak Kumar Megwal. I have 6.5 year experience with ICICI Bank. I started my career with ICICI Bank in 2014. Currently, I am working as a branch manager for last 2 years. Apart from this, I have done my postgraduate diploma in banking and finance.
Postgraduate diploma in
Postgraduate diploma in banking and finance with Manipal University.
Manipal University. Currently, your
Yes.
designation, your grade.
Sir, currently I am working as a scale 1 officer as a branch manager.
But in last 6.5 years, you have not been promoted.
Sir, I got promoted in 2018.
And you have joined as a assistant clerk.
Yes, sir. I have joined as a assistant manager.
Then you have been promoted as a deputy manager.
Yeah.
I mean, that is also scale 1.
Scale 1. Sir.
Then why Bank of Maharashtra after so long years with ICICI Bank? Then why you want to shift to Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, because I am getting a chance to hike 1 grade directly. That is why I am thinking to switch Bank of Maharashtra.
Then you will be benefited to if you will join in Bank of Maharashtra, right?
Right, sir.
Mr. Deepak Kumar will be benefited, right?
Right, sir.
But how Bank of Maharashtra will be benefited?
Sir, I have 6.5 years experience here, and I have done work in different profiles, because like a deputy branch manager, assistant manager, and currently I am working as a branch manager. So I have discussed many kind of loans, and I look
like what type of loans?
Yeah, like a personal loan, car loans, auto loans, mortgage loans, home loans also. And gold loan also. All kind of retail loans we have disbursed from the branch.
What is the loan? In ICICI Bank, I believe there is no power for the branch manager to disburse the loan.
Yes, sir. We have to generate the lead, and all documents we have to collect, and then we have to disperse in credit.
What is LTV? LTV?
Yes, sir. LTV stands for the loan to value.
What is the LTV in home loan?
Sir,
up to 75 lakhs.
Sir, LTV depends on the segment. Like a salaried person, it is different, and for self-employed,
the LTV prescribed by RBI for home loans up to 75 lakhs. What is that LTV? Loan to value.
Sorry, sir, I have no idea about this.
Difference between unsecured loan and secured loan.
Sir, unsecured loan which are giving without any collateral, like a personal loan, business loan. These are unsecured loan, and secured
business loan is unsecured.
Yes, sir, because we have provided on ITR basis.
And we are not doing hypothecation of the stocks.
No, sir. What? Business loan, yeah. We have to provide on the basis of the 3 years ITR and turnover, basis on turnover.
But we are not doing hypothecation of the stocks, but the business person is maintaining. Then no, how it will be unsecured? We are not doing that. I mean, your bank is not doing that.
Sir, in business loan, we have not taken any kind of collateral.
But there is primary security is there. No? You are not taking in collateral security, but primary security is there. The stocks are considered as the primary security.
Sir, generally, business loan.
When there personal loan is unsecured, okay. But in business loan, you are also doing hypothecation of the stocks. The stocks are considered to be primary security. Okay.
Okay.
The stocks will be considered as a primary security. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Ranjan sir.
Yeah, can you tell me what is AML in banking?
Sir, AML is stand for the anti-money laundering, which is help to banks to prevent any kind
What
of
is
fraud.
ALM then?
AMMM.
ALM.
No, sir. Sorry.
What is ALCO committee stands for in banking?
No, sir. No idea about this.
Okay, what is the term asset liabilities management?
Sir, pardon, sir.
What is asset liability management in banking?
Sir, asset liability maintain because every bank has to maintain asset and liabilities for the growth of the bank and generate the business.
What will happen if
Because
it will not managed?
Sir, if it will not manage, then one part will be increased and the second part will be decreased. Like liability may be high and
What is
asset
this
liability.
then? What is
Because
this?
sir, every bank have to can have to assets maximum 70% of the
If
liability.
asset liability management is not done properly, if it is not done properly, then banks will fail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is asset liability management? Everybody must know it's a very basic term. Asset liability management is when you have the funds deposit and your loans. Okay, you cannot deposit all. You cannot engage all your deposits into loans, right? Why it is required? What are the rules? You have to keep some funds for your future contingencies. Okay, like, and you should have some reserve funds directed by the Reserve Bank, like CRR and SLR, right? And whatever is rest with you, you can invest that as loans. So if you will invest all of the money into loans, or if that loan will not be returned in a proper time frame manner, you cannot give refund to your deposit takers. You cannot give back the money to the depositors, right? And in case you fail your commitment, in case you cannot pay back the money of the depositors, banks will fail like PMC Bank. Okay.
Deepak Kumar, you are basically from?
Sir, I'm basically from the Kota district from Rajasthan.
Okay. And you are also posted at in Rajasthan only, no? In ICICI?
Yes, sir.
And if in Bank of Maharashtra, you will be get posting in Maharashtra, you are also ready to relocate?
Yeah, sir. I'm agree to join anywhere in India, because in ICICI Bank also I have moved 3 to 4 places in the 6 years. So
Okay. Ranjan sir.
Yes. Deepak, you need to go through so much of things.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
But you are confident enough. You are confident.
Confident, but whenever you don't know, you are trying to answer them, because I know that you don't know about ALM clearly, but you are trying to answer them.
Yeah,
Okay?
yes. If you do not
Yes,
know,
sir.
you should directly tell that sorry, don't know this. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will cover this.
Yeah. Okay. All the best. Next, please.